بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وصلى اللهم وسلم وبارك على سيدنا وحبيبنا وقرة أعيننا سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته حبايبي. نبدأ إن شاء الله على بركة الله. For today, as usually, we have to start with a dua. So today, inshallah, our dua, we're gonna ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for علما نافعا, beneficial knowledge, ورزقا طيبا, good provision, وعملا متقبلا, accepted good deeds. So what we say, اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا ورزقا طيبا وعملا متقبلا. اللهم آمين يا رب العالمين يا رب. اللهم آمين. Okay حبايبي, so today we're gonna talk about what we said last time. We said that the Arabic letters are divided into 3 groups, right? First group is the heavy letters. Second groups, letters sometimes are heavy, sometimes are light. And the third group are the group of the light letters. Okay, and we talked about the first group, the heavy letters. And we said the scholars, may Allah bless their souls, they divided them into 3 simple words to make it easy for us to memorize it. They put those 3 words as a خصة ضغط قيض, خصة ضغط قيض, to make it easy for us to memorize them. And I hope, inshallah, that all of us memorize them. Okay, today, inshallah, we're going to move to group number 2. Group number 2, we said we have letters. Sometimes they comes heavy, sometimes light. And you know what? In this group, we have only 3 letters. Those letters are Alif, Lam, and Ra. Each one of those has their own rules to make them sometimes heavy, sometimes light. So that means, it means not all of those 3 letters, they have the same rules. No. Each one of those, they have their own rules that make them sometimes heavy, sometimes light. And inshallah, we're gonna learn all of those rules that belong to each one of those 3 letters, the Alif, the Lam, and the Ra. Okay, so let's talk about Alif. Today we're gonna take Alif. We said Alif, sometimes light, we have light Alif, and sometimes Alif comes as a heavy with a full mouth. When that happened, listen to this. The Alif following the heavy letter is pronounced heavy, and the Alif following the light letters is pronounced light. So that means Alif is a follower always follows the letter before it. Okay? So if the letter before it heavy, it's going to be heavy. If it is light, it's going to be light. And not only that, listen to this thing. It is very important. Alif, always there is fatha on the letter before it. Never comes dhamma or kasra before it. Never. Always fatha. Okay? So the fatha, it's always comes before the letter alif. Let's have words to see how alif gonna be in those words. Let's have first word. فعال. فعال. Okay. Here alif became after ain. Is the ain heavy or light letters? Is it one of those 7 heavy letters? No. So it must be light letters. Okay. So alif gonna be light too. So look at the pronunciation of the word. فعال. فعال. Alif is light, the same like ain. Let's have another example. Let's see the next word. Let's see. Oh, خاشعة. خاشعة. خا. Kha is one of those 7 heavy letters. So again, the alif, the follower, is going to be heavy too. And did you notice there is a fatha on kha? As we said, always there is fatha before kha, before alif. So we say kha, kha, khashi'atun. We pronounce it with the heavy mouth, both of them. The kha letter and the alif, both of them are heavy. We pronounce them with the full mouth. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what we're gonna have. Okay. باقية. باقية. What do we have before alif? We have ba. Is it one of those 7 heavy letters? No. So it must be light. So alif, the follower, gonna be light too. Ba. Ba. باقية. باقية. Did you see the fatha before it? Yes, always there is fatha before alif. Let's go to the next word. مطاع. مطاع. What do we have before alif? We have ta. Oh, ta is a heavy letter. And you know what? Let me tell you something. Ta is the strongest letter in the Arabic alphabet. The strongest letter. And it's heavy. So the follower alif gonna be heavy too. We have to pronounce both of them with the full mouth. Mu, light. Mu, ta, heavy, both of them. Ain, light. مطاع. مطاع. Did you feel how we moved from the light letter, mu, then ta, heavy letter, then back to ain, light letter? See? That's add more beauty to the sound of the word. Moving from heavy to light, from light to heavy letters, it's add beauty to the beauty of the word. Let's have another one. Let's see. Oh, كاذبة كاذبة ka. Is kaf a heavy letter or light? It is a light letter. It's not one of those 7 heavy letters. So the follower alif must be light too. كاذبة. I don't say ka. No. That's not correct. I say كاذبة. كاذبة. Okay, let's go to another word. I think this is the last word that we have. ناصبة. ناصبة. Okay, na is noon. Heavy or light letter? It is light letter. It's not one of the 7 heavy letters. It's light. So the follower alif gonna be light too. And did you see there is a fatha on noon, on the letter before alif? Always we see fatha. And you know what? Look at this word. We have a heavy letter in it too. We have صاد. So we say na, light. صي, we make it heavy. بَتٌ, light. So we say ناصبة. ناصبة. Did you feel how we moved from light na to heavy صي to light ba and to light ta? See how nice we move from letter to letter? Subhanallah, that's add more beauty to the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Subhanallah. Okay, habibi. So now I want you to read Surah Al-Ashiyah and look for the alif, the light alif and the heavy alif. Okay, habibi, came to the end. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.